Hey there! If you're over 50, I want you to stop scrolling for just a minute. What if I told you there's a little-known protein that could be the missing link to faster, stronger muscle recovery, even as we get older? That's right. If you've ever felt frustrated by slow progress, nagging soreness, or just wishing you could bounce back like you used to, this is for you. Let's talk about the unsung hero, collagen. Now, I know you might be thinking, isn't collagen just for skin and beauty stuff? But here's the real scoop. Collagen is actually the main structural protein in your muscles, tendons, and even your joints. As we age, our bodies make less and less of it, which is why muscle recovery after 50 can feel like a slow-motion replay. But here's the amazing part. When you give your body more of this powerful protein, studies show it can actually help repair muscle fibers, reduce soreness, and support joint health. Imagine taking a walk in the morning, tending your garden, or even playing with your grandkids, and feeling strong, not stiff. I know firsthand how discouraging it can be when it feels like your body isn't keeping up with your spirit, but you don't have to accept that as your new normal. A small change, like adding a high-quality collagen supplement or foods rich in collagen such as bone broth or eggs, can make a big difference over time. And get this, collagen doesn't just help your muscles recover. It can also support your bones and improve your skin's elasticity. So it's like giving your whole body a little tune-up from the inside out. If you're curious about how to get started, talk to your doctor or nutritionist about what's right for you. And if you've already tried collagen, I'd love to hear about your experience. Drop a comment below and let's help each other out. Remember, age is just a number, and you deserve to feel good in your body at every stage of life. Don't let this little-known protein be your best-kept secret. Give your muscles the support they need so you can keep living life to the fullest. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more empowering health tips. And don't forget, share your thoughts and questions in the comments. Your journey could inspire someone else. Take care, and here's to feeling strong, no matter your age.